there. I'm gonna paint a wall. There is this empty wall on the outside of our little tiny home in our backyard, and I want to fill it with this drawing that I had in my journal. This is the drawing. So you're gonna follow along. I don't know where to look. Do I look at you or you? You. Anyways, this is gonna be fun. So you are currently set up on a very precarious pile of wood chips, but this is the wall. This is day one of the mural. I'm gonna let this dry overnight. I couldn't find any acrylic primers, outdoor primers, and so instead I just used some outdoor paint, and then I'm gonna paint on this paint with some acrylic. So I did blue for most of it and painted this white. This part is gonna be like a patch of sunflower, and then the rest I wanted kind of like an undertone of blue because most of it would be sky, and then the lavender field is also kind of blue toned. You guys are on a slightly better setup today. Today we're going to be working on the clouds and the kind of floating town on top of a mountain. That's going to be on this right side, and maybe some other things.
Mona Lisa, I cannot put your picture on my wall. I just wanna know, can I be with you? Let me take the fall. Well, you got heart, you got soul, you got everything I know wrapped around your finger. Like you got eyes, you got lips, you got hips, you got it, yeah, put me to the ringer. Oh, well, I know you got it, baby. Oh, well, we all know you got it bad for each other. Who cares, doesn't matter, well, tell me who's that boy over there. Making eyes, making me stare. Oh, well, I don't know your name. Can I call you Mother Nature, or will you let me fertilize? Okay, day 2 is complete. Let me show you what I added. I added these clouds, and then I did the mountains, and then I kind of mapped out where the lavender field would be. And lastly, I added Dome, which is a little town overlooking the Dordogne River. And I really wanted to capture the feeling of like floating above the clouds, so it's like floating right above this lavender field. So it's day 3 today, and I'm going to be mainly working on this lavender field here, and hopefully get to the sunflower patch, as well as add some like clouds around the town we did yesterday. Ideally, we'd finish today. I think it's gonna start raining soon, like in the next couple days, so I want this like to be dried and not have to work in the rain.
Straighten my sweater, fix my spine, step up in line. I'm ordering food high, and I don't know why I'm so nervous. I won't make it, 'cause that's my favorite waitress. Those big brown eyes, I don't know what I ordered, but she's smiling like I can't afford it. Ooh. Addicted to TED Talk, waiting for lift off, but I don't know if it's ooh. much, 'cause I just lost my mind in the fluorescent lights. All my life in my mind, a river running free like rapids. But Julia, fix me a blue sky and the warm sun, and I'll be back now. Julia, how long till I'm all gone? 'Cause here I am, just stumbling down Elysian fields, the Spanish moss and the southern fields, the silver moonlight in the trees, and the devils in my bloodstream. Don't say you love the old me.
ASMR. Okay, so I just took off the tape, and so I'm gonna wrap it up today. It's mainly finished, so tomorrow I'm gonna go over some details and add some finishing touches. Let me show you what I did today. So first I added some more white clouds around this town to give it a little bit more dimension. So I did this whole bottom part. I was referencing this Van Gogh piece, and a lot of his strokes were really like gestural and really thick. Okay, so it's day 4, and I'm just gonna be finishing up the lavender field and the sunflower patch. I definitely want to add some more little details on the lavender field. It's definitely not as purple as I'd like it to be. And then I want to make this a little more 3-dimensional. Right now it's looking a little flat. And then we're done.
Oh, to see without my eyes, the first time that you kissed me, boundless by the time I cried. I built your walls around me, white noise, what an awful sound.